Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and in my mind, one of the most important nutritional steps that you can take to optimize your health is to get your essential fats optimized. So what's an essential fat? It's simple. Fats that your body is simply unable to make by itself. Now, these are broken down into two broad categories, omega-3 and omega-6. And both of these fats are called polyunsaturated fats, or PUFAs for short. Now, this means that these fats are not saturated, instead have more than one double bond in their structure. So even though omega-6 fats are considered essential, it's important to understand that it's virtually impossible to ever become deficient in an omega-6 fat, as they are nearly in every food you eat. Now, the key to staying healthy, though, is to make sure you have as little omega-6 fat as possible. The most common fatty acid in omega-6 fats is linoleic acid, or LA, and it comprises about 80% of the omega-6 fat. So the most important first step you can do to eliminate these omega-6 fats is stop all vegetable oils, or more accurately called seed oils. Just remove them from your diet. Because if you fail to eliminate seed oils, then even the best omega-3 supplements will not be able to provide you any health benefits. So, next, assuming you get this under control, you want to make sure you have adequate omega-3s in your diet, because unlike omega-6 fats, where no one is deficient, 80 to 90% of us fail to get enough omega-3 fats in our diet. And this is concerning, because low levels of omega-3 are associated with an increased risk for heart and brain concerns, eye issues, increased cellular aging, and premature death from all causes. So how do you know if you're deficient in omega-3s? And if so, how do you fix it? The best way is to actually measure your omega-3 levels with a simple, widely available blood test. Now, since 90% of us are typically deficient, you'll want to consume more omega-3 foods from healthy sources such as wild-caught Alaskan salmon, herring, anchovies, sardines. Now, alternatively, you could take an omega-3 supplement that supplies the DHA and the EPA, which are the two primary omega-3 fats. However, you must be careful, as most fish oil supplements have major problems. The ocean has long been contaminated with heavy metals and other chemicals like PBDEs, which are flame retardants, and they are easily transferred and highly accumulated in fish. So the best way to get omega-3 fats is from toxin-free fish, where the fat is in its phospholipid form. Now, this is important, because when omega-3 fat is in its phospholipid form, it's easily and readily transported across your blood-brain barrier and into your brain that desperately needs this high-quality fat. Thankfully, krill oil and herring caviar oil both have their omega-3 fats in its phospholipid form to improve omega-3 transport into your brain. Now, additionally, krill contains phosphatidylcholine, which not only improves omega-3 bioavailability, but also contributes choline, which is the precursor for the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. And like omega-3, most of us just simply don't get enough choline in our diet. Now, krill also contains naturally occurring astaxanthin, which is a potent carotenoid antioxidant that helps maintain the stability and freshness of the krill. And best of all, krill isn't prone to contamination from heavy metals and chemicals and toxins like fish oil, because it feeds on clean phytoplankton in the pristine waters of the Antarctic. Now, another great thing about krill is that it's environmentally sustainable. Krill makes up the largest biomass in the world, and only 1 to 2% of the total krill biomass is sustainably harvested every year. That's only 1 to 2%. And this level is rigidly enforced by the Marine Stewardship Council, or the MSC. And the MSC uses boats to certify 100% traceability and auditing to ensure the krill is harvested in a responsible and sustainable way. Now, the fishery supplying our krill oil was the first krill harvesting company ever to gain MSC certification, and still remains one of only 2 fisheries in the world to be certified by MSC. So we actually offer 4 different krill oil formulas. Now, our flagship formula is krill oil with astaxanthin. And then we have krill oil double strength that supplies twice as much krill oil and astaxanthin to help you raise low omega-3 levels. And then we have krill oil for women that includes organic evening primrose oil to supply valuable GLA or gamma linolenic acid. And then krill oil for kids, the perfect dose of krill oil and astaxanthin in a smaller size capsule for a child's total needs, supporting physical, mental, and emotional health. So with a formula designed for every member of your household, it's easy to take control of your health with krill oil, the ideal omega-3 supplement.